Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start wool silk program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to pick this program, and this one is available in the top left corner. Then we'll be able to change the temperature, adjust the rotation speed. Then there's the time manager, it's not available. There's a pre-wash, not available. Delayed start, that means you'll be able to set a different amount of hours when the program should begin after we press on start. Then there's easier ironing, not available, and extra rinse, not available. So when all of the settings are set, you can click on the start or pause to begin the program. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.